The top 5 ways to get a six-pack. Hello future abs owner, Luke here again from Your Health is Your Wealth. Want to know the secret to a six-pack? Here are the top 5 ways to sculpt those abs and make your belly the talk of the town. Crunch time. Crunches are classic for a reason. They're effective. Start with regular crunches and then mix in reverse crunches and bicycle crunches. Your abs will thank you. Plank like a pirate. Planks are your abs' best friend. Get into plank position and hold it for as long as you can. Bonus points if you imagine you're a pirate on a ship. Arr! You ready for killer abs? You know it, matey. Tip 3. Eat clean. Abs are revealed in the kitchen. Cut out processed foods and alcohol and focus on lean proteins, whole grains, and veggies. You may also need to get into a calorie deficit, which is burning more calories than you consume. Your abs are hiding under a layer of fat, so let's get rid of it. Tip 4. Cardio is king. Cardio exercises like running, cycling, walking on a treadmill on an incline, or swimming burn fat and help reveal your abs. Aim for at least 3 to 4 cardio sessions a week. Who knew getting a six-pack involved so much running? Tip 5. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Work on your abs regularly, eat right, sleep right, and don't give up. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day and neither are six-packs. There you have it. The top 5 ways to get a six-pack. Crunch, plank, eat clean, do cardio, and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fitness tips. See you next time.